Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Facebook comment growth tools properly. Because we have received a lot of questions, whether it's through support ticket or through the community, Facebook community. People are complaining why this Facebook comments growth tool is not working. Okay, why this flow is not triggered. So it must be one of these four reasons. Okay, so that's why in today's video I'm going to show you from the start to finish and go through each of these 4 points. Okay, so let me first share my screen here, and so first is you need to give the proper permissions. Okay, that means when you are connect your page with UChat, you need to make sure that you give the permissions that there is one particular permissions you need to approve. So let me share my screen here, and let's go to UChat, and let me connect this page again. For example, if I go to reconnect, and I will continue, and this is Instagram, so we will just skip. And this is the page we are interested, right? For example, this is the sample page we are going to connect. So if you click this one, and as you can see, there are a lot of the options you need to turn it on. Okay, there is one particular is here is manage comments on your page. So you need to make sure that this is turned on. Okay, only you turn on this permission, then UChat can reply to those comments. Okay, that is the checklist number 1. So let's down this, and then let's go back to UChat. We will set up the comment growth tools. Okay, so let's go back to UChat, go to the automations. First, let me set up the sample post. Okay, so this is sample post. Let's post this on the page. Okay, this sample post is here already. And now let's go back to UChat, and we will go to the automation, go to the comment keywords, and we will create a new let me delete this one. We will create a new comment growth tools. Okay, so you can check, you can make sure that it works on all the posts, or you can select that particular post you want to trigger. So we will just select the new post we just created. So this is a sample post. We will click this one, and we will make sure that if comment contains, you can actually set up what the keywords you want to reply to. For example, if we contains UChat contains awesome, contains automation. So this is the 3 keywords that will trigger if the user comments these 3 keywords in that particular post. Okay, so now you can set up the public reply. So you can actually set up multiple public replies, and in this public reply there is one variable you can use, so that is the first full name. So with this full name, you are actually tagging the user that you are already replied that. Okay, so I will just thanks for your comments, I just send you a DM. So same with another private reply, I just check your private message for access. The next one is as I just send you a private message. Okay, of course you can also add the emojis. For example, let me throw one emojis here. So this is the public reply, so everyone can send, right? And now you need to select a new private reply. So this is a new subflow. So I will set up this later, okay? And also in the reply delays, you can actually randomize, the time, the delays you want to reply for each of those comments. So I actually suggest you randomize this, okay? Because Facebook hate, the chatbots to reply immediately. Maybe this will help. But for this test purpose, I will just keep using immediately. And there's another important part is in that settings, there is reply once, typo here, reply once to each user in one post, okay? So that is this option. Usually, the user just click on everything, and this is turned on so that when they comment once, the automation is triggered. But when they comment the next, it's not triggered. That's why we receive a lot of tickets that just saying, okay, why this comment grocery is not working. It's just simply because they didn't check very clearly about this option, okay? I suggest you keep it off, okay, so that every comment can be triggered, okay? And also you can like the user's comments, and also you can control, do you want to reply to replies to the comments? So there are different layers of the replies, right? Do you want to reply, after the customer already replies? So I usually just, keep at the first level. So, and also this is, we can also track if the user is tagging other users or not. So this will be another tutorials. So now let's just save this one. And now we need to go to select another subflow. We will just create a new subflow. So let me create a new subflow. Comment growth foods. Okay. So in this part, there is a checklist you need to pay attention. This is the last one. Is private reply send only one message. Okay, because there may be the new user, okay, comment on that post. So in that case, you do not want to send, you just want to send a once very simple message, okay? Just to like this, for example, you have to, let me set up one simple message, just one message, okay? So thanks for commenting on the demo. Click the button to receive ebook. For example, this may be some lead magnet you are doing. So you just need one simple message and have a button or quick reply for the user to click. So after the user engaged with your chatbot, whether they click the buttons, click the replies, and then this user can subscribe to your chatbot. You can use all the actions, you can use all the conditions after that, only after that, okay? So this first message is very important. You just keep it simple. Just use one text with the image or with the video, and just have a call to action after that, okay? Just one simple block, one simple message, okay? And now you can add another one, is just send to your email. You can use an email action to send the ebook, something like that, okay? So this is the checklist we need to make sure that is number 4. You need to make sure that the private reply, the subflow you are going to send when the user comments on the post, that is contains only one message, okay? At least from the starting point, that is only one message. So now let's go back to the automation. Let's connect that subflow we just created. So now, okay. So now what else is left is we already covered the first one, and we already covered the number 3. We already covered number 4. So there is a number 2 is, oh, okay, we already covered the number 1, number 2, and the number 4. There is only number 3 left. So let me show you what I mean by that. So for example, if you go to your page, right? This is the post. Usually you are the admin of the post. But when you are testing, you do not want to comment as the page admin. Okay? For example, if you click this button, it should switch. You need to switch. For example, you need to go back here, and here is an option is choose how to interact. Okay, you need to interact with that post with your personal profile. Okay, not your page profile or even your friend's profile. Okay, so I will select this one, and this is my personal profile. So, and then when I comment, so for example, I will just type UChat, and then it should send me the message. So let me wait a minute. As you can see, I already received a message that this page already liked my comments, and also I received the notifications. Okay, as you can see, let me move the camera to this side so that you can see I received the subflow, and there is a button. If I click, it will send me another message. Just send your email. Okay, and let me refresh the page. You will able to see that this comment is liked, and also I can see this is one of the public replies. Okay, it used my full name, and thanks for your comments. I just send you a DM. Okay, and this is comment by UChat, and this is only people who manage this page can see who post the comments. Okay, so again, that's all the points we covered today in order for you to make sure that the Facebook comment growth tools is working for you. Okay, so the first point is when you connect your page with UChat, make sure you select the permission that is required for the comment growth tools to work. Okay, the second is you do not need to turn on the reply once to each other in each user in the post. Okay, if you turn it on, when you test it work, and when you test again, it will not triggered because it only triggered once. Okay, so the number 3 is when you comment, when you are testing, comment on that post, do not comment as the page admin. Okay, you need to switch your profile and comment as a user. Last is make sure that the subflow, the private reply you send it to the user, is only contains one message. Okay, it's just a simple text with the image or with the video and with the button or quick replies. Okay, do not add a lot of actions before that, and do not use do not send multiple messages. Okay, just one simple message. So if you follows all those 4 points, I can guarantee that 100% sure that the Facebook comments growth tools will work for you. Okay, so that's for today's video. And for the Instagram comment growth tools, it's basically the same logic. Okay, so I will see you guys in my future videos. Bye.